This week I'm going to reflect on joining my Placement B school and my first couple of weeks there. My initial thoughts before going to Bridgewater High School were of reluctance. I'd established myself at Hertford High School. I've been there for 2.5 terms, 2 full terms now, and I feel like I'm getting to know the children. I feel like my behaviour policy is effective. I feel like I've built up a relationship with the children. I'm very keen to go back and to work on that and develop it even further. So I'm quite nervous about I was quite nervous about going to Placement B school, because it meant starting all over again with a different set of children. The research I'm going to refer to this reflection is from the British Council, and they say that working in different schools it helps you with your CPD, and it also builds sustainable relationships with different link schools, and also it facilitates a partnership between schools. And I did hope that maybe Hertford High and Bridgewater could possibly build a relationship. Bridgewater, a very established performing arts school that put on a lot of productions, that have a very strong drama and performing arts department. Completely the opposite to Hertford, where the drama department is very small, and I wondered whether if we could possibly build some links with each other that might benefit the pupils at Hertford High. My mentor at Hertford High encouraged me to embrace Bridgewater and to experience working in a performing arts school. And also my mentor at Bridgewater encouraged me to do exactly the same, to maybe take some risks at Bridgewater, to treat the whole all the lessons as workshops, like I was a visiting practitioner, and to gain some subject knowledge as well, and experience of working with Key Stage 5 pupils, which I haven't had yet. And I hoped that I would be able to bring back all those qualities to Hertford High School, and I hope that this would enrich me as a teacher. So what strategies did I use? I taught a Year 7 class, a Year 8 class and a GCSE class. I wanted to establish the rules and expectations from the beginning. I think it would have been very easy to go in and be lax with the rules, because I'm only there for a short amount of time, so I suppose you could take the attitude of what does it matter, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted my expectations to remain very high from the children, even though I was only there for a short time. I used the school behaviour policy, and I fitted in with that policy just as I had adhered to the Hertford High policy. I used my own schemes of work, so I hoped that the pupils feel special, and they get to do a scheme of work that nobody else in the school gets to do, and I'm hoping that that is going to help me build a relationship with them. So did it work? Yes. I took on the school policies and expectations myself, and I fitted into the department, and I worked collaboratively with my colleagues. I was flexible, I was hardworking, and I was willing to take on extra responsibility as well within the department. And I ran 3 very successful schemes of work that so far are going really well. The children are kind of testing me a little bit, but my adhering to my high expectations and my rules for the classroom is allowing me to set the boundaries, so that we are able to facilitate, or I am able to facilitate learning within the classroom